knows? It's white-thumbed Partridge. Hey, Keith, I hear you lost the big bake-off.
Yeah, well, maybe you heard right.
What happened? Don't tell me your cake fell.
Something like that.
Hey, but you let a girl beat you. Tell me, what's your secret for failure?
Let's go, Keith.
Look, Goose, I've heard this from people all day long. Now, your friends may think you're very funny, but I gotta tell you, you're nothing new.
Pretty tough for a cookie cutter.
Okay, look, if I said something you didn't like, I'm sorry. Come on, Laurie, let's go.
Just because you're with the chick ain't gonna get you off.
Look, he said he was sorry. What more do you want?
I don't want I'm sorry. I want I'm sorry.
I got nothing to be sorry for.
Don't get smart with me, Baker boy. Maybe you'd like a few lady fingers stuffed up your lip.